Hello, today I'm going to convert the article component. And I need to show the screen immediately. Yes, it's just the single article page. But it is grouped together in the state in the file structure as part of articles. And there are two different article groups here, I guess. Maybe article edit's another one, but two reducers. One is for article and the other is for article list. And here is the facade, and it actually covers both. So this here, these are all article list things, and these are article things. So I'm going to try to just convert the article reducer today. And I think so far in my experience it has been easier to convert like leaf node type things first, because I can import stuff from NgRx, but I'd have to change NgRx to deal with StateAdapt things. And I don't think I've tried that yet, but it seems difficult. So I'm going to do article today, the article reducer, and all of this stuff. All right, I'm going to get started then. So I'm going to close everything to the right. Yeah, everything to the right. Close to the right. So I've got the article reducer already here. And it's a decent chunk of state. It's pretty big. And the facade here. So let's get started with the adapter. All right, here we go. So export const article adapter equals create adapter state stuff article state. Good. I thought it was plural for a second, but it's not. All right, so what are these state changes? Let's import this first. Don't know why it's out here when the article feature is here. This should have the component too. There should just be an article feature. I used to think that NX was great, having that separation between the different types of libraries, but I don't think you should separate by type of library. I think you should separate by feature, and people get worried about importing circular dependencies, but it's manageable. This video isn't about that, but it's very easy. It's very easy. It's the same reason you don't worry about circular dependencies between reducers or whatever, the state level things. So I'm just gonna copy all of this over, all of it. All right. This one will be called receive article. Oh, good. Loaded and loading. This is first time I've actually dealt with this, so I'm looking forward to seeing how it looks, how it works. Loaded true, loading false. That's not redundant because you can have loaded false and loading false. That's the initial state. And could you have both true? It's like refreshing or something. I don't see why not, but I don't think I've seen that ever anywhere. Might not be a bad pattern, but yeah. So that's just for a quick comparison. This is how many characters are selected. Do I have to zoom out to see that? Yeah, 146. Oh, okay. It's like the file path thing was getting rid of it. 126. So there you go. Slight reduction already. Okay, load article failure. Okay. Oh, this is just resetting. Actually, this will be blank, I think, right? Yeah, no payload here. And yeah, this will be the same. Okay. I know it'll just go away anyway, but okay, add comment to success. I'm just going to call this add comment. So I'm just going to edit in line. How about that? Add comment. Why does this this doesn't need to be like this? That's funny. Okay, state and comments. Comments and comment. Great. Delete comment. Inline. It's gonna be the same. It'd be easier to just copy this. And what is the payload? I'm just gonna assume that it's gonna be a comment ID, and it's not any. I know it's not any. What does the comment have for? I think it was string. Oh no. There we go. Okay, what type was this? Number. That's new. It's the first thing that was a number here. Okay, so delete comment. This will just be ID number. Okay. Filter. All right. This is annoying with all the highlighting. Let's just make sure it's peaceful here. It is peaceful. Okay, now back to war. War with TypeScript. That one was just done. Initialize article. Okay, that's just reset. Delete article failure. That's just reset. I'll keep these around as comments. Load comments success. So I'm going to call this receive comments. It's not going to be really the same. Receive. I could also just call it set comments. I don't really care. State comments comment. State and comments. Great. That is nice and short. Okay. Good. We're good. Comma. I wonder if it adds it on the same line. No, it doesn't do that sort of thing. Maybe I should. Let's do that. I'm happy that Prettier respects this, and I don't necessarily like how wide the line is, but if we can, I mean, this is a competition after all. And this is an extremely simple update, so I mean, I don't think I even want to try to do this one, but I do actually want to try. See what happens. Oh yeah, that's too long. What? Where are we at? One character shy of the limit. Yeah, that's too zoomed in. For sure. Okay. This one's simple enough that I would definitely like it in one line. Yeah. Load comments failure. This is reset comments. State comments. Did I do one of these already? Reset article. Yeah, it did a lot. We don't have a loading state for comments apparently. It's okay. Okay. Follow success. Good. Let's see. Data. What's data? It's the article. It's the entire thing. This is... No? This is interesting. Oh, article will be data. That's, so all of this is article stuff. Where's following? Oh, author. Interesting. Oh, this is like, I don't mind this at all. Front end. So this isn't normalized state. This is an author's profile, and if I was designing a backend, I definitely would put this in the author database. But then when we're getting data for a page, it makes sense to just show it all in one view, and then why not just put that in? Yeah, when I first learned Redux, I was obsessed with figuring out how to do like normalized state and keep all users in one place and use the selector to patch them all together, but that's really not necessary. In a way, this is actually more accurate because it's possible that there's a bug on the server, and when it's patching it together, it's wrong. And so like I see the endpoint as the source of truth, not like the database. The endpoint is the source of truth, so I just trust what the endpoint gives me. But I haven't. I mean, maybe there's a case for doing it differently. But there isn't enough good tooling around doing state in a normalized way, at least not in the Angular ecosystem. Okay, so follow success, unfollow success. Action.profile. So it's setting. Okay. Set author profile. State. Data will be state.data, except the author will be profile. Let's call author. I don't care. Profile. That's a type, right? Profile. Yep. That is good. Ah, beautiful. Okay. I'll keep that. Reset. Yeah, I'll call those the same. Oh, this is just used in an ng on init, so it's just going to be part of initial state. And then comment. Well, these both lead to that. State.data. Yes, data. Yeah, I think this is the full update and we're good. Okay. I'll keep that there for sentimental reasons. Favorite success, unfavorite success. Oh, this is an article action. So you go, okay, so the article comes through the action payload. Okay, so set article, right? Yeah, this is different than receive article. Okay. Oh, that's pretty cool. Might be able to fit this in one line, but I don't want to. This one might be worth spreading out because it's nested, but it's fine. This one definitely, like, this is too simple. Okay. All right. Is this non-trivial? No, it is not non-trivial. Okay, now article effects. We work on the effects and the facade now, I think. I think this is kind of the flow that I normally go with. Yes. So first thing is load article. Okay. Does this depend on anything? Nope. It's just load it. Okay, so we're up here. We'll start at the very, very top. Yeah, this is just, okay, so article request equals get HTTP sources. Article. What's the request? Oh, action. It is an action. Where does it come from? It comes from. Okay. Can you switch between different articles from the article page? Don't think you can. I think you just go in, go out, click on another one. There's the ID, or slug, because it's readable. And, oops. Why am I going there? I'm thinking about the component and how we get the ID, because it's so if there was a router store, this would be the time to import it, and there actually, I feel like there should be, but let me see if there's a convenient way to do this. Get, so Angular get route param in service. Is there a convenient way? You have to traverse down the route tree and get the data from the route. Activated route, router events, instance of navigation end. Oh, I remember making this in NgRx once. A tool for this. I may just create a a method just like I did in the last video, because I need to pass the ID to the facade. While I ponder. Okay, I am gonna try a new thing. I'm going to do it the way this random person says to do it. Router. Okay, and what you do is you say, oops, not const, just let me double check there isn't a second opinion. Yeah, I don't think you can get activated route. I thought that's what I tried yesterday or last time. Let me try one more. Sorry, I'm gonna pause again. Yeah, that first way is, seems to be the way to do it, which makes sense because it's the way I remember. I've done it like 3 times at least. Make a service, a reusable service for this. This dot router dot events dot filter, no pipe. Here we go, RxJS time. Filter. Of navigation and great, and then we want to switch map that to some logic. Route, what? Activated route. Where's it using event? I want to test this. What's in the event? E dot. What is? I mean, it's obviously navigation and event 2. Why isn't it smart enough to figure this out? Yeah, I'm wondering about this though. What's the deal? URL after redirects? I mean, maybe... I don't really know what to use. I'm gonna go back to the... This is... It's an event. This.route.root. This is really complicated and stupid. It isn't a service. It makes sense. It's not. I mean, where do we get it from? Obviously, we have to get it from the router. I want to test this. I can test this. I haven't really done anything to the code yet, so let's try that. But what is up with this? Google this and see what they say on the internet. Oh, is this a type guard type thing? Yeah. Nope. That does not help at all. It's an observable event. This seemed... It really was unnecessary. Now it's deprecated. What is deprecated about it? Oh, jeez. That was pretty stupid. Hey, there we go. Good. Okay, now I want to see what is in here. Let's just do that. Okay. Now this dot article request, which is not what it is yet, but close enough. Let's log it. And I hope we didn't break the app yet. Good, we didn't. Navigation end URL. I mean, here it is. If we wanted to just grab it, I want to. So index of, or all the way to the end. Is there like, I don't think there's a route below this, so this is going to be a naive, kind of dumb way to do this. It's okay. It's okay. Navigation end. If it's after redirect, that seems sturdier, more reliable. So this will just be a map. Yeah, that seems pretty good. Don't need to do any of that. Okay, now we need to handle this string. So, what was it again? Yeah, what was it? No slash at the end. I mean, this is fragile, but I don't really care. There's a better way to do this, but I'm just going to do it the fast way. Replace article slash. See what that gives us. Okay, we want to replace the slash. What's up with the slash? I mean, I have it here. Why would it get rolled into that? Hang on, let me back up and just play with this in the browser. Yeah, why? Let's have another one. Nope. Why is it grouping that in? Oh, I see. There we go. Okay, so I don't care what happened before. Let's just do that, I guess. I don't normally like to do maps before other operators because you could just do this processing right in here. But I'm more picky with asynchronous things. What's it called again? Slug. Okay, how does it grab it? Here we go. Cool. So there's the request. Now we can do this and do request. Okay, and then this parameter really is useless in this app, I think. Or no, it isn't. It's useful there. Okay, now filled. Or let's just say error, because that is a little too descriptive. To be honest, I didn't want it to go on the next line, and I know that's not a good way to do it, but I also know that this will most likely never actually happen, which is also not a great thing to believe. But I'm feeling lazy, so okay, that's the effects. Okay, load article failure. So we've got, okay, let's hook things up now. Let's start hooking things up. Store equals, this will be article store. I'll go ahead and I'll just call it store. Adapt, I did not import that. Oh no. Yeah, I will call it article store, just to avoid the naming collision for now. And I will put adapt here. StateAdapt.init, and we're going to call this article. Oh, yeah, let's go ahead and, while we're converting, we'll do this. Adapter. And initial state. And I know I'm going to be making that more specific because they've got the initialize article, whatever. Yeah, I don't like that. So, okay, effects, we're going to have receive article and article load failure, whatever it's called. receive article, and reset article. Okay. Yeah, these don't need to be verbs, but it is preferential. Preferred. I'll just keep them how I initially named them. Okay, we got receive article, which will come from success. What's going on here? Oh, article request, yes. Okay. And then we'll have reset. And it'll come from error. Great. All that's already taken care of now. Okay, next in effects. That's gone. Load comments. So they're going to be article service get comments. So they're loaded separately, huh? Okay. So article slug. This is now this. Nice. Because we're going to need it twice. Yeah. I like it when it condenses like that. That's really cool. Okay. Comments request equals, first we're going to do, we already had a good name candidate. So this dot that dot pipe, and what does the effect do? Get comments. That is pretty simple. So switch map. Great. HTTP sources. Let's just copy that into there. Article. How about that? Yes, because otherwise they'd be the same name. It's not gonna. So this is just a debugging feature. With StateAdapt, this having the same name won't cause them to collide. It'll just be a bad debugging, or bad like console or dev tool thing. Comments probably, huh? Yep. This will go to new lines, which is just great and beautiful and fine. So receive comments, reset comments. I mean, I'm sure this happens. Yeah, failure and success. Data.comments. Okay. So receive comments. Comments request dot success. Reset error. Okay. Now that is gone. Delete article. Delete success. All right, this is going to be a fresh source. So it'll have a slug, right? String. Yeah. Oh, right. Delete article. Okay. And that will start off the request, but nobody cares about that, right? So maybe it's just a subject. Because back in the reducer, yeah, nobody cares. So this is, wait, is this delete article? Yeah, this is the entire article. It's pretty extreme. Facade. So this is just a subject. I honestly wouldn't mind. Yeah, I feel like I should have like a sync of some kind where the state change or identity, yeah, like a no-op default reaction that goes state to state. And just have it be like, yeah, I can do that. You know, I could even just implement it. Yeah, I'm gonna try this, see how I like it. Okay, state to state. And this will be delete. Okay, so this way it gets logged and then the state changes nothing. I just want it to be logged. Okay, and now we're gonna have delete request equals get HTTP sources. So what's the delete? Oh, this is gonna be, it's gonna, if this was a subject, it'd be a little nicer. But I can just grab it from the payload. I don't care. It's fine. It's gonna be a little different. What's the response of effects? Where are we going here? Yeah, this is where we go. Article.pipe. Can cat map? Sure. I don't think it'll happen in rapid succession, but you never know. Okay, slug. No, that's the action. So we're gonna have payload, which I'm gonna name slug. Okay. So that will now go inside here. And what is the response? Void. All right. Well, how do we know? Well, this has to observable of void. It never respawn. How do you know it deleted it? That seems like a little bit of an oversight. Really? How do you know when it deletes it? Yeah, it's like it tap. So it does emit something. We just don't know what it is. It's not. What does it? Hey, with this void, with this nothing, let's navigate. When this nothing happens, void. It's got to be unknown. That would be better. Yeah, this is a little crazy because this is saying void. Expression of type void cannot be tested for truthiness. So let's just say this is so bad. It's just going to be true, and then null and error. Okay. And who even cares what the response is? It's void. Okay. Okay. So this will go to a new line probably. Now this is starting to get annoying. Oh, I installed this extension because I was working on a project that had insane folder structure. So Anyway, who cares? Okay, so now what do we do for delete? So we got delete article success, and I believe I tracked. So on failure, just reset to the initial state, I guess. How's that going to help? Do I need to do a circular thing here so that it automatically fetches it again? Because it's going to look like it got deleted. And then it won't have been deleted. Won't have been. Well, they redirect. Right, so I actually need to implement that. On success. Right, what am I? Okay, I'm holding on to that. Okay, delete article failure. Reset state. So it's not actually. That's. What's that? Is that a forms thing? I think it was. Why? Oh, this is comments. Sorry, my bad. Delete article success. Okay, so here it does not redirect. It just apparently it just screws up the state because the way they designed it. Yeah, this is set later. This is a reset, so it's kind of ridiculous. So delete article failure. I don't like that. Honestly, if it fails, it should go into some error, but for now I just want it to be logged, and there should be some kind of error that gets shown somewhere. Set errors. Oh, that's commenting, of course. But so far nothing happens except in the old implementation, in NgRx, the current one. The article just gets wiped out on the screen and nothing else happens. Unless there's something else reacting to that. No. Anything else? No. So yeah, it's just okay. And I don't like that. So can cat map? What about merge map? I could see like somebody deleting it and nothing happening ever. So they hit it again. And I don't see a real problem with that. It's going to be unsubscribed if they navigate away anyway, so I think this will be fine. What about merge map? Yeah, don't want to do merge map. Don't want to overload the server with stupid requests. So this is fine. Okay. Okay, let's just move on. Let's get rid of this. Still don't really know what that's for, but anyway. Okay, what about success? That's the one that I need to do now. When it's successful, we want to do a side effect. So success, tap, and the success is, what does it say? Void, that's right. Null. Okay. We want to navigate away. What all does this do? I mean, it's listened to in the reducer, but does anyone care about that state anymore if we've navigated to home? And why would it be home that we navigate to? Your articles. No, that it goes to your feed, I think. So, wait, this worked? Oh yeah. I've got it. Good, cool. Why do I want it to be so compact? I just like it when prettier. I just like prettier. I think that's what it is. So anyway, this is all basically handled. I just need to attach it. Delete article success. Yet we never handle that. Okay. So that was pretty pointless. Okay, facade. Where do we plug it in? Okay. That's a popular state change. At least it makes sure that it gets dispatched. So, and the side effect happens. That's also important. Somebody cares about what happens after they hit the button. That's good to know. All right. Is this the only tap? Yep, that's the only tap so far. Okay, let's move on. Add comment. I really like RxJS. I really like RxJS. Okay, add comment is going to be... Alright. We get to integrate with something now. Soon. This is going to be a source. Kind of like this. It's going to be very similar to this. Because I did that here, right? Kind of makes sense, I guess. It's whatever. Is this good enough? No. So this isn't just going to be a string. Add comment. It needs an optional payload? How? How is that optional? Wait, what was the first one? Slug. Okay. Oh, that's the article. It's gotta be. Okay, I do not. Payload will be slug and. Okay. I'll just say it. Slug string and comment string. All right, that's easy. Good. Okay, map that. I think that also makes sense. Maybe merge map? No, okay, cat map. The ideal interface, user interface, would be like you hit the button, it goes, the form resets. So yeah, you could add another comment at any time. And then if the comment fails to post, it goes up there as if it's a comment and lets you hit a retry button or something like that. That'd be the ideal user interface, speaking from experience using interfaces. What's in here? great. But when does it reset it? It's supposed to reset it when it's successful. So you just sit there looking at the form where it's edited or where the comment is edited, and it's just sitting there. So concat-map makes sense if we were also setting a loading state, but I'm not going to go the extra mile with this. As always, I'm just converting what's here. Okay. So how do we implement this? This is a bad name for this, facade. Look at this. Hardly any of this is something you're actually going to access in the component. But whatever. I could name it store, but whatever. It might make sense to put all the actions like together, but anyway. Okay, so all right, success and failure. Success will be reused over in the component. It'll be used to reset the form. Errors will be used to set the errors. So these are reactions in the form state. How am I going to add these in? Well, at least for now, I'm just going to hook this up, the add comment thing. I'll handle the form state later. At a later time. So let's see, add comment that will come from this dot. Success. Yeah, that's gonna produce a comment. Good. This is nice. Okay. To do. I'm gonna go back here. That here. Okay, and, oh, merge map. What's up with the merge map? What's being returned here? Oh, exhaust map. Oh, I forgot. What does exhaust map do? I might want that one. It's like concat map, kind of. Oh, I remember testing this out. Why is my memory so short? See, I have an init observable. I remember doing this. Oh, only one at a time. So, oh, that is what I want. It's, is it what I want? If the slug changes, it's not what I want. I want concat map, but nobody's gonna like go. Well, they might go delete article, go delete article. Even then, you need to have somebody subscribing to the store so that the state doesn't just get wiped out and everything and the request canceled. So that's not that doesn't matter. That's a minor concern. Exhaust map. Was that in here? Yeah, add comment. I think that would be put in delete. Only add one comment at a time. I'll just copy what they have. I don't really care. Yeah, probably should have just gone with that philosophy to begin with. Just stop thinking, just rewrite. Yeah, exhaust is ignore. Merge is keep all of them. Concat is wait. Switch map is switch. Okay, delete comment. This will probably be similar to this one, even more than this one was. Second one is comment ID, which is a number. So this will have slug string comment ID number. Good. No. Oh, payload. Yes, this will be. So it's a lot like the comment. That one. So first is comment ID. It's kind of weird. Okay, whatever. Okay, what's in your response? Void. Okay. Oh, did I? Oh, good. Glad I caught that. Wait. Delete. Add. I mean, this is just saying request. Yeah, this really wasn't. The get HTTP sources really wasn't written for like post or put actions, requests. It was because after this just gets put request. Oh, but that's not the thing that's. Yeah, that's fine. The thing that's actually this is what's actually going to be getting produced or logged. So that's fine. This will be. I mean, ideally, I would like it to be like this, and then success or error. That would be ideal. So I guess I'll just add that on. What about up here? We got article. I think I do want that there too. So that will. Ugh, it's hideous. All these lines of code. Like that. I'd personally prefer putting this in line then. It's not like I use it in multiple places. You know, formatting, this shouldn't be like a formatting concern, but that definitely looks better than what was there. Yeah, I'm personally happy with this. Personally. Okay, this same thing, I'm thinking. Yeah. It's just nutty to have this enormous line and then ridiculously short lines there. Delete comment success. What happens after that? I don't think we need to do this. What's in the effect? So delete comment failure and success. Nothing really happens. It's just one or the other. So okay, let's look then here. Nothing? What is it? Does it at least log it? It should remove it. delete comment, add comment. I mean, yeah. We have add comment, so that should be remove comment probably. But whatever. So, is this going to be one of those where I have to wrap the request? I think it is. So concat map, I'm going to have to map the response, which is nothing apparently. Is this failure or no? This is success. Yep, it needs it. Okay. Map 2, is that being deprecated? I thought I heard that somewhere. Apparently not. Slug comment ID. Concat map. Is that what it's supposed to be? Oh, commend. Okay, in effects, what is delete comment? This is a concat map. Okay. Wait, what's the matter with this then? Null. Frick. So this is no longer res. It's just res the whole thing. The whole thing. Why? What's going on here? Just number? Okay, I guess we just want the comment ID then. I'm okay with that. Okay, that wasn't horrible. Could have been worse. Yeah, a lot of work because of good action types. A lot of sprawling code. It's totally fine. Okay, what about failure? Do we do anything with that? Can't remember. No, I don't think we. I think we just want to dispatch it. So I'll go ahead and do that. Yeah, I'm gonna make this a default thing in StateAdapt. Maybe I should do that right now. Okay, basic adapter methods, that's this. I think we should be good now. So, I still need it in my little thing here, but what was I doing here? Oh, yeah, that was anticipating a bug. I think I should save this. Okay. Man, my phone is busy. Why are people talking to me so much? Okay. It's not an emergency. Don't worry. Okay, our effects. So we got error. This seems all taken care of now. Okay, now follow and unfollow and favorite and unfavorite. Yeah, there is a lot of stuff in this, isn't there? Okay, this is follow, right? Yeah. It's gonna be similar to this one, I think. This will be article author. Great. We're going to need a new service for this. So it's just going to be username. So just string here. Follow. Oops. What? Okay. Action service, my favorite. The one I struggled with for like half an hour yesterday, or last time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Is this exhaust map 2? Which one? Concat map. They must have thought it through. I will not reuse that. Oh, great. So this is the profile response. Wait. That's what we want, I think. Okay, you got follow with the string. That's good. Follow request, article, author. Put follow there. I think we're good. Okay. Let's do another one. What happens? Follow success, follow failure. So follow success. Failure is nothing, right? That's right, failure is nothing. What do we call this? Set, probably? Set author profile. I'm going to call it set author. It sounds ridiculous. Yeah. That's emitting a profile, so we're good. Oh, that's nice. And then we do want to dispatch if there is an error. Wait, we want to do the request too, don't we? Like we want this to dispatch in the store, so we're not doing loading state, so we gotta put it in here if we want it. That's interesting. Add comment, is that down here? No, it's not. An error will, I mean, it'll dispatch from somewhere. Pretty crazy. This is a lot of lines of code actually, but it's all good. It'd be better if this were causing loading state changes, but anyway. Okay, let's go back to this. Or check delete article, comments request article. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Next. Yeah, we're good. Or article actions. Follow failure. Like they really don't listen to that? They do not. Okay. Alright, we're good. And then unfollow will be remarkably similar. ink. What do we got? We do that, and for some reason, yep, profile the same. Unfollow. Wow, this is the exact same. Crazy. So now we're going to. Right. This has both of these, I think. No. Request. Success. Right. I believe that was here. Yes, for both of them. Set author. Okay. Awesome. And for effects, or what was the other one? For failure, what did I do with follow? Just listen to it. So this will be the same thing right here. We'll just listen to it. Action service. Is it just favorite? Oops. Yep, unfavorite. And it's not username. It is article. So slug. Okay. Follow. Okay, article. It's just articles. So this is gonna be a little nicer. And that's gonna be article response. Article. Yep. That is remarkably identical. Okay. The same thing here. Set article. Yep. Yeah. Concat. All of it is concat. Catch error. This is all. I don't see any. Yeah, it's all identical. It's updating and setting and blah blah blah. Hey, look at that. Deletion is imminent. That's a useless one again, so we're fine. Okay, now yeah, good. Set article. Good. Beautiful. So that is done. That is crazy. So we got favorite, unfavorite, follow, delete comment, add comment, delete article, and those are what you have. So delete article. What about save article or update? That's in the edit article reducer or whatever. Component. It's right here. So actually maybe I should just look at it now. We're in the article facade. Yeah, so publish article. I'm gonna make this now. And this is gonna be, so we've got delete, I'm gonna put it here. Okay, and comment, no. Article request. Okay, and what? It's going to be an article, right? Yes. And it will do this. This rename thing, it's not totally necessary. I don't even really think it helps. Wait, why? Oh, yeah. Res, this will be article. And error good, so article, publish article. This should be good. And, oh, in the adapter, yes. No, that's initialize article. So what do we do here in our edit article effects? Publish article success. Where does that? What? It's just never handled. Do you navigate? Oh yeah. Oh. Well, okay. So let's see. Is this the right place for this? Because we're not at the route, so the slug won't be there. Sure. Let's just try it and see what happens. Okay. It's not going to be hard to look at this and see. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Okay, so cool. Payload. Okay. Actually, okay. It's just like a random thing that doesn't depend on anything. It just, it's different state. Well, it's form state. So, yeah. Where does it come from? Article. It comes from this, I think. This is where, so if you do, oops, article edit component, yeah, this comes from the facade, which is articles facade. That's this one. So this will probably already just work. Okay. When you're editing one, where does it get the article from? Here. Load article. This is for editing. Oh, so not creating an article? Well, I guess it wouldn't emit anything, so yeah. Okay, so I can article request. Yeah, this happens automatically. And it uses the slug. And if there is none, it gets filtered, nothing ever loads. It starts out with the default state, so I'm good to delete this. Okay, what am I holding on to? Oh yeah. Publish article success. It's just a thus. Yeah, it's just a side effect. It's just gonna redirect. It'll put a new parameter in, which will cause it to load. Yeah, so we're good. We are good. Oh, good. What's down here? Oh. Okay, do I need to do that? And besides that is a weird... Oh, that's article actions. Don't care what that's about. Submit. Add comment. That is a terrible name for it. Yeah, article actions are no more. Or they should be no more. That's kind of weird. There's only like 5 of them. Oh, articles actions? Yeah, same thing. Did them all at the same time. Yeah, all these look good. They look taken care of. Article list. Yeah, that's a different thing that I will not touch yet. Oh yeah, okay. So these are dead. Actually, article store. And what are you? Be that. So we need selectors. Oh, I deleted the selectors. Let's take a look at then at what they were. It doesn't matter. It's pretty clear here what it is, what they are. Selectors. Wish there's a way to go from single line to multi-line. Oops. Nope. Is it going to be data? Because that's a good name. Article loaded. It's just going to be loaded. Author username is going to be author username. What does it start as? Data is there. Oh, it's all there. All there from the beginning. So I'll just get it. Okay, that wasn't too bad. And it's all ready for consumption. And I deleted all the methods. And I'd be kind of surprised if this ended up being shorter in the end. Oh, what's the error up here? Oh, good. Because this is pretty sprawling, if you ask me. The effects were big, though, too. Yeah, maybe there's a chance. The reducer, is it this combined with the other one? It's kind of a lot. Yeah, this is one advantage of NgRx. If you want something to show up in Redux DevTools, you just dispatch it to the store. Somebody's always listening. The library is. But with this, you have a subject. That's what a source is. It comes from subject. And you have to .next on it. And if nobody's listening, it never happens. So, we have to put it somewhere for it to be listened to. Wait, it is being listened to. Okay, but it's not... Yeah, it's being subscribed to. It's just not going to show up as a state change, which means it's not going to go into Redux DevTools. Yeah. Okay. Set page. This is list stuff. All of this is now list stuff. Okay, I bet there aren't any errors. This is really weird. Why are there so many? favorite. Okay, this is article list component. Uh-oh. Are we listening to this action like it's like from the article list page we're doing article stuff? Apparently this is a component. Yeah. It will update the article state only if these are different actions. Yeah, they go to the same service and they make the same API call, but they're made from two different, completely different places, and they update two different places in the store. I mean, we could make them be one source and have both stores listen to it. That's fine. But this store needs to listen to it. I'm going to make them separate actions. So, since this doesn't have a store yet, I'm going to disable this feature for now. Oh well. So that's just too bad. Okay. Now we need article routes. Yes, these are dead. Why would this still be index? Oh, I didn't kill this one yet. It's gonna jump back, so let's do that. It took so much work to find this folder. Okay, index. Okay. What? There's your issue. Oh, right. Oh, it's right here. Good. Okay, where's imports? Article feature? Why? Why are you still here? That's pretty weird. Anyway, article effects are gone. Yeah, okay. So that's just how that works. Oh. Okay. See ya. Oh. Cool. Article component. Okay, this is where a bunch of work will be. Apparently not. Oh, wait. Submit comment through articles. facade and react to result here. Okay, this is forms. Okay. Where's submit? Where do you submit? Oh, submit right here. Okay, cool. Delete, unfavorite, favorite, follow. This is all through the facade, so. Okay, so template. Okay, how do am I gonna just make this available? I think this is what I've done before. It's a minimal change. Yeah, look at all this stuff here. I don't like big templates. And what I hate even more than that is no type checking. Well, yeah, it'll tell me when it tries to compile, so I should actually be fine. Submit comment. This looks good. That's already updated. Oh. No, this is add comment. Yeah, how do I? Yeah, this is not good. I need to make sure they match. Add comment, follow. Okay, so those are all simple and good. They just need the $sign. And what is this? Delete comment? No, it's got to be delete article. Yeah, it's got to be. Okay, and down here, add comment down next. Yeah, that was simple. Delete comment will be, yep. Any other actions here? It's got facade. Sources, form update next. That totally makes sense. Okay. This isn't a real full application, so whatever. Anyway, so is it just passing it through? Delete comment. Yes, I believe so. Data, yeah. Oh, interesting. It's got two here. Where's submit? Submit. Event and data. Good. Did I add this? Yes, I did. Nice. Maybe I didn't. Okay, don't need that. So that's where that was used. Got that still. Submit comment through articles facade and react to result here. React to result here. how to react to the result here. Error, and how is this? Depends on how this was used in other places. That's here. What kind of source? What would happen? Where's the adapter? Here. Okay, so set errors. Okay. So that's if that exists. Oops. Okay, right. So this is something we want to do. So in the articles facade, we've got add comment. Feel it. Yes, right here. This is what we're doing. Yeah. So let's see. I'll probably have to map it just like I did with auth, I think. It's kind of goofy like that. And go back to the adapt for the what? Oh, let's just go back a bit. Back here. Okay, here we are again. Forms. No, one more. Here we go. No, that's login. Not here. Where is it? No. Here we go. Dang it. Go away, tooltips. Facade dot. Hey, that's what we want. Reactor results here. So this would be the. When we add a comment, when it succeeds, do I need to have. I'm gonna ignore it. I could add it, but it's probably necessary. So it's string and we need errors. So back all the way. Nope. One more. Articles facade. So this, where do we go? Here. Oh, it's payload. It'd be like this. No. Where are the errors? It's right here. Oh, okay. It'll be like this. Except this isn't necessary to like have be so like that. Okay. So like that. Okay, not off. Okay. Great. Okay, what other errors do we have? Template. It doesn't? Oh yeah. Where is that then? Delete what? Article? It's gotta be article. Again? Oh, I bet you can delete it from two places. You can edit and delete from two places. Where does edit happen? I don't know. Oh, it's probably router link. Guard service. Ooh, can activate. Wait for article to load. Oh, I see. Okay. That's all you need. You don't need this. Don't need that. Why would you need this? You don't need that. Comments. Yes, that's being subscribed to. Where are the comments? Yep. So they will load, they're needed, so don't need that either. Very neat. And might as well just, it's just ridiculous. It's just, I mean, just get it. Where's the slug? Oh. Okay. It's not gonna load until route parameters show up. Dang it. Navigate end. I don't know, it depends on the timing, but I might have to fix this. So, what do we have next? Article edit routes. Article edit routes. Okay, we've got a bunch of stuff here. Guess we don't need that or that. Oh, that makes sense. The data is just going to be there. Wow. Okay. Good. Article edit component. Oh, good. We can finally do this. I'm going to revisit this. I'm going to later. I don't have to, yes, I won't. But, okay, so for submit, it's publish article. And go away. Good. Don't need any extra crap. So, yeah, but this is, it's just article, so wherever it said submit, we'll do just facade, right? Okay. Uh-oh. Deprecated. That's cool, though. That's cool. Index, okay. Article list reducer. What was it depending on here? Oh, the actions. Oh yeah, it's broken for now. Okay. It needs its own. It needs its own. When I convert it, it will have it. Is that? No. That's you still. Okay. Thought it turned gray for a second. Article list effects. Where are those? Yeah, just. Oh, okay. So, yeah, I'll comment these out. They will be fixed soon. It's pretty simple to understand what they do, so. For now, you can't favorite articles in the list. Okay, and wow, it's finally working. Uh-oh. Yeah, it never loads because the parameter. So I do need to fix that. And article 2, and what do? Nothing, because we have no ID to go off of. It's right there, but navigation end. About navigation start. Or I'll get rid of the resolver. I'm gonna get rid of the resolver. I don't like resolvers anyway. It should just be like a skeleton loading state. But if I had to implement this, what I would do is figure out how to. So I'd probably create. Is this right? Yeah. I think I'd create a service and inject it in here and in the facade. And when can activate gets called, it would push the slug onto a subject, and it would always be that would always work. So I wouldn't do that navigation thing at all. But I hate this, so I'm going to delete this. We can implement a loading state if necessary, but let's just see what happens now. Some routes will be broken. Article routes. That's a sacrifice that I just am willing to make. Yay, it's working perfectly now. Hey, where's this coming from? Looks like it's loading. That's good. Got in it the comment form. That's good. Why isn't this? Okay, where is here's the forms facade, article facade here. Articles request. I mean, I guess I would like this to be dispatched. Request as well. What's the deal with that? Oh, because it's got nothing in it. Frickin' heck. Action. StateAdapt. Any. Miraculous. Hey, it's trying to load it, right? Does it get it? It does. Okay, so what? Redux. Why doesn't it know that it got it? Is this one of those this things? No. Yeah, I'm using it right here. Receive article. Receive article. Where is that console log coming from anyway? Oh. Nothing. This feels familiar to me. What's happening right now? this works. It's being requested. You know what? For requests, you can call it wait for article. And then it's like, okay, I'm in a loading state. Show error for, yeah, okay, that works. Show or receive error. I like that, actually. That works for me. Okay, I'm going to pause while I figure this out. Alright, the route was loading and the navigation was finishing before subscriptions were happening, so I changed it to this. I made it, instead of having a method where the component would take in the article or the article slug, like the route params, and then in like NgRx or something, you would say, okay, go get it, go define the store and pass in the slug, and then I would only have to put these sources in there because these are the only ones that depend on article slug. These would be up here still, but all this would be moved down and returned. I didn't want to do that. So I defined a behavior subject. So before anything subscribes, basically when it's in the constructor and it will work, I push the route params observable onto it. So it's an observable of an observable at this point. Starts off as nothing, empty. Switch all will switch to the inner observable. Filter will make sure that, it's always going to be defined, so I don't need this here. What I need is this here, and I'm going to do S for slug. Okay, yeah, same thing, but anyway, this works. Yeah, so refreshing, I will go to, here's my feed because I'm following him. I forgot I followed him. I'm just not getting the quality content I hoped for. So, alright, here's an article. Switch to it, it loads. Edit, it loads. Go back, it loads. All the actions are working. So article request, article success. Article success. Huh. Well, okay. There is one concerning thing. Before I get into it, I guess. Okay, let's try deleting an article. And a lot of things just happened. Destroy article 2. Diff. Goodbye article 2. The article success. Great. So it redirected. So that could say request, but anyway, that's fine. I will add another. Okay, new post. Whoa. Oh, that probably wasn't my fault. Probably NgRx effects from the article list pulling you back for some reason if. Whoa. Wait, no? Okay, that sucks. What's going on here? Editor home. What is test article? I'm gonna refresh and see what the deal is. That worked. What is going on? Behavior subject. The behavior subject is remembering the previous. Well, isn't that annoying? I could try a subject and see if it works. I didn't really try that. I just... Let's just see what happens. So obviously this is going to work, but A, B, C. Yeah, it's not loading it because it pushes before anybody's listening. That's the issue. So this is like a matter of state management, apparently. Let's just tack this on to our stupid side effects that we need to do first here. Complete? Nah. Oops. Will this work? Kind of sets it back. No. I want the observable, because this is only going to run once, so maybe I need an ng on init to refresh it every time, but I kind of like the idea that once it sets an observable, it's always there. I just don't want it to replay. So if I could do .next on the inner observable, that would be nice. Okay, this is annoying me. All right, well, I guess it's more of the same still. Just figuring this out, so I'm gonna pause again and think. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I did. I just turned it into a behavior subject so that I could just set it, but I didn't want to just set it on delete, because what happens on delete is you redirect, so I wanted it to just cover all situations where you're redirecting, and just clears it, and then sets it on init. So this is the simplest thing that I could think of. I could have created a method that created a store here, but that store is reused in other places too, so I wasn't sure about that. Anyway, so this one seems to basically work. I mean, you can click to it, it loads. I could also put it in the route resolver, but this logic, could have put that in the route resolver and stuff, but and that's annoying. I don't know what's going on here. Editor, it's okay. So yeah, that's still the original NgRx jankiness, but this right here, okay, we're here now. Edit, and it turned into editor / so all the stuff that happened. Really? That much happened, huh? So it destroyed article 2. It destroyed the form, a comment form, which is good. Init article 2. Article request. What was it for? I don't know. And an article edit form. So article edit is there now. So are those different? How annoying would that be? If I think they're different. Yeah, so it's not gonna 404 error. Oh, hey, look. Hey, it's the error thing. That reducer that I was avoiding. Yeah, so it's just emptiness. So, do I have to do this in article edit as well? So redundant and annoying. Well, we have a service that needs access to... I wonder if this is why they used a resolver specifically. Maybe. But what do? This pattern, like this thing sucks. This in general. I don't like doing this. I'm gonna pause and think again. Okay, I changed my approach one more time. I decided to just go back to the resolvers. Yeah, but I'm gonna use them just to set the ID because they happen first. So yeah, I'm hoping this is just exactly what I needed. So I re-exported them. I undid my changes from here. This is no longer here. So I'm re-deleting these. Okay. And article routes. Okay, still don't need that. But the guard will keep. Okay, so in the guard, what we're doing, wait for article to load. This is the part that's annoying. I'm gonna look at what they do in the other one. They just return of true. So here's what I'm going to do for the facade. Just gonna set it like that. Hope this works. Oh, need to do okay. Honestly, this is probably gonna be similar. Why not do can activate? It probably should be can activate on this one too, but whatever. So yeah, this one has the facade on it too. Don't care about that. Don't care about that. Gonna just do true. True. All right. See, they look the same now. See that? The same. Basically. There. Now they look the same. It's just can activate and resolve. It's the only difference, but I don't really care. So, okay, I hope this works then. That worked. Edit. No. Why? And why wasn't this... Is this like... What's going on? I don't know what that was. I need home. What? Oh, that's a long time of destroy. So why? Why are we destroying now? Oh, comments error. Oh, it's still getting a nothing. Is that real? Oh, we need to filter off of it, don't we? We need to make sure it's nothing, and then we don't load nothing. Okay, that makes sense. who knows how close I was to getting it on one of the other approaches. Let's call it update. Okay. Replace all, yes. But here, we're gonna filter. So if something goes through, you if nothing goes through, then we're not loading these, and that's good. That's intentional. So, all right. Hope this works now. What's going on? Oh, I never. Yeah, I just did a git stat just to see where I was. And anyway, so that wasn't really updated code. Huh. Darn. Well, I think I probably do need that filter anyway. Although, yeah, I do. Yeah, because if I remember right, the resolve thing. Where's the resolve? Resolve. Yes. Only load if there's a slug. And where's the guard? I think the same thing, right? Load article. Well, it's assuming there's always going to be a slug. So, are we good to go? Yes, we are. Okay. That's NgRx. All right, so that's good. Let's edit it. Hey, it appears. Yay. Publish. Okay. Publish. Looking good. Edit again. This is great. All right. That's so good. I'm going to delete that. Good. Now we go back here. Okay, this is all working. Now I'm going to favorite some things. Can I favorite from here? Well, what's the point? Maybe I can't favor my own? Unfavorite. That worked. Favorite. That worked. Good. And follow. That's working. You can follow in multiple places. Yeah, and this is a separate action. So, okay, all right, let's see what we all tested now. Article facade, here we go. We tested this updating and that updating, so let's see. Ultimately from the router. Okay. Publish article, did that. Delete article, did that. We didn't really check the failure, but I'm not really sure how to do that. It'll take time, and I'm pretty sure it's going to work. Add comment. Let's test comments real quick. Can I comment? Where are comments? That is actually mysterious. Where are comments? I don't even know where they are. Well, we're in article details, so let's just look. Comments. Comments are, come coming from the facade, which are from the selector. That's great, it knows where it came from. Oh, that's the problem. Wait, no it's not. Comments are okay here. So are they being loaded? No, where's the form? That's what I want to know. So comments empty, that makes sense. Comment form structure. So where are they? Where are the comments? Add comment. This is what I'm looking for. Let's see if this is real. Are we authenticated? Where true we are. Okay. Good. Data and structure. Right, these are the weird things, the observables. This is something from yesterday. This should just be working. Yeah, this wasn't anything that I touched today. Well, data here. This is what was yesterday. Why aren't they loading? This is the thing that changed today. I mean, so this did. That's really all it could have changed. Data. That's helpful. JSON. Okay. Just for fun, get stash. What is here? Extra stuff, right? Stuff that doesn't affect anything. So my adapter, yep. Serve. Okay. Apparently I can't edit here either. Or did comments not work from yesterday? Yeah, where are comments? Like, existing comments aren't even showing up, are they? Yeah, like, where are these? Where are these supposed to be showing? This is very strange because why isn't anything from comments showing up? Because I don't think I touched anything from comments. I mean, not yesterday. Look at articles facade. Comments are still coming from here. They should still be working. So it is something inside this component is that. Why isn't that working? Wait, why is that? Oh, NGF or NG4. Well, I'm gonna put that back and try debugging this some more. Current user? Could have something to do with that. I didn't touch that though, did I? Auth facade. Store.user. And I think it's loading it. These are comments. It's getting them. Article async. Where's that? Oh, I might be just seeing that. This is just, yeah, okay, so let's put some breaks in. Whoa, there was something shorter that just showed up. Oh, that was the bear article. Why breaks? Let's put, let's try this. Zero. Okay, so data async. What's data? Okay, comment form data. That's good. What? Wasn't it an empty string to begin with? Or was it something different? Oh. Can you do this? So comments will never show up, and that includes the comment form. So, oh man, I feel dumb right now. That was a bug from yesterday. This worked in the other templates. That's the thing. It worked in the other templates, but not in this one. It's only a single string? That's crazy. Okay, well, it's because I wanted it for this. What's the other way to get this? It's not gonna take long to figure this out, I hope. I can't use being tired as an excuse. I'm not really tired. My mind's just blank. Thing is, you can't get real complex with the if conditions here. It's not really JavaScript. So, let's see. People will say use NgContainer, that unwrap observable without ngIf. Okay, that's so simple. That works. Let's try this. Really? Okay. Yeesh. Oh, okay, that's good and fine and great. That's the issue. Okay, I hope this works then. Hey, hey, hey. All right, let's test commenting. I'm gonna comment my other one. I'm gonna unfavorite this as well. It's really, oh, my articles. Oh, because I clicked up here. Okay, good. Undefined slug. Oh. This is supposed to be the article ID, right? What are we taking it as? Okay, well, you can get rid of this. Where? Oh, great. This was submit. What was it? Add comment? Yes, add comment. Where are we? Down here. Oh, an object. Oh, okay. And slug is the first one. Can you do this? And is this going to be a number? Well, the template formatter thought it was legit. Add comment. Oh, it's a string. It's just comment. So was that an error? No. Hey, great. Post. What happened with it? What went wrong? Yeah, there should be. Okay, so that was good, but slug? Yeah? Yeah, I'm getting that. Okay, so let's debug this real quick. Articles facade, here we are. Add comment. Oh, shoot. How did that get like that? That's pretty mysterious. Oh, data. Right? Or no? Yeah, I'm unwrapping it. Slug and container data. Data. Okay, let's just see what we got here. Okay. So that's what's actually going. What? Really? So why wasn't this just working, huh? Oh, so it's empty string first. This here, add comment, it's wrapping it in, and so we need to change the initial state to be actually it's typed as any. Yeah, I think this should work. Okay, so that is all right. No, it's not. This, no. Where? This will be all right. And initial state will be like that. Okay. All right. And this is not this. This is just if I could spread it on, that would work, but that is how it'll be. Okay. All right. There. Comment D slug. Perfect. All right, and we didn't reset the form. I think that is what I wanted to react to here. But the truth is, I don't really care. So on the success thing, I can just go in and I could have this react to it by resetting, but I don't care. It's good enough. Okay, that, what? New post. What if there's a bug with the original because, no, there's no way. So here we're looking at this. Then we go home, Google feed, new post. Why is that loading like that? Behavior subject. Is that it? Yeah, when it exits the route, it never sets it back. So how would I fix that? Yeah, maybe I should just go back to on destroy. So I could do it here. I think this is. I'm gonna go way back to this again, and this is gonna be the only thing that. I mean, I'm gonna comment out the routes. These resolvers, where'd they go? Yeah. Okay. Where are these routes though? Here they are. All right. Comment those out just to test this. But back in here, maybe just do this. Same dependency. I could just add it on destroy, but I don't like resolvers. All right, and we'll add this down here as empty. All right. copy all that, go over to here. Go ahead and copy that. Here. Where here? Okay. Save, save. Okay, now. New post. Ah, come on. Really? Oh, right. It's only given to resolvers. Okay. What was it before? Activated route. Okay. Component. Let's see, here and here. Is that what I did? No, I got right. No, stop it. That was terrible. Okay, now new post. We're good. Global feed, view the route. It's here. We can edit it. It's not freaking loading. Why not? Snapshot, but still, this is. Let's see what we get then. Why isn't it loading? That doesn't make sense. So we get init, edit, and we get edit init. Is that just not here? In the facade, let's tap and make sure. Okay, so we got init and that, which is good. And then edit and undefined. So it's pushing undefined. Oh, slug. It's not called slug, right? That has to be it, right? Yeah. What is it called? There's nothing. Oh, it's not a parameter here. Ugh, so it has to be in the resolvers. Okay, alright, well this is stupid. I guess I have to keep the resolvers, go uncomment those, but then do this here as you're destroying the route, and this is gonna work. This has to work. Okay, now go to the routes. Okay, and alright, okay, well, so far it looks like it's working. I'll go back here and nothing loads. I am becoming agitated. Nothing loads. Is it because the timing thing. Well, first of all, we don't actually need to do that in article, I don't think. Where is it? Yeah, right here. I don't actually think we need to do this here because I don't really know. You know what? I'm gonna wrap up this video anyway. I have resolvers still. If there's a comparison, so I'll fix this at the beginning of the next video, I guess. If there's a comparison, it's going to be underestimating how much I could have deleted because I'm keeping the resolvers, and maybe they would end up gone, but maybe they stay. So anyway, I'm just gonna do this now. Or should I just pause this and come back later? I'll just pause this and come back. This is really annoying though. Okay, I figured out the problem. I went back to this. I don't love it, but I went back to it and it works, and it's simple. And what's going on here? Apparently I never finished this. I'm explaining the issue and the solution, sorry. So this is the way to go, and I was hoping this would be a quick solution, but it's not. The reason this wasn't working before, I was getting empty parameters. Here's the solution. He was having this component, and it was never ever actually defining the slug parameter. So up here, this was never coming down, and I'm not sure how it was working before. I really don't know. So anyway, with that gone, it works. So if there is no slug, then it'll still render this. Like it's the same exact functionality. Oh, children. What about children? Maybe there's something to do with children. Let's see. Did that change? I don't think it did. Okay, so that is the solution now. So, and the component actually gets the parameter now. I'm not really sure how this was ever getting it, but it was. Anyway, I don't need that. So I will be deleting these things. This as well. That wasn't being used anyway. Okay, and I can go around, click new post. It clears. It's good to see that. Click here. You can see it, edit it. It shows up. Everything is just working great. Finally. Can't edit this. Comments are showing up. Everything just looks great. New post. B, C, D. There it is. B and D and C somewhere. Edit again. There it is. Save again. There we go. So finally, everything's working. Okay, now I can finally do a comparison after I delete this and remove it from index first because I don't want to jump around everywhere. The thing I wanted to begin with. Okay, so that's gone. Now up here, index Let's get rid of that and that. Finally. Okay, I think we're done. Make sure we're not missing anything. We weren't. All right, finally. Jeez. Okay, so let's look at the code. Get diff stat. Yeah, that is awesome. 511, 510. I think I need to reconnect that still. That's bugging me. But it won't take much. It won't. There's already a place for it here. I just need to grab it from the right place. I don't really know what the submit is for, so is it for a comment? No, it's for the article itself. So you know what? I can just do it right now. Dot article publish. Oh, article where's publish? Publish article. Nope. Error request. There we go. Oh, here. Okay. Yep. And we can pass that in. There. Okay. What is going on? Okay. Now we'll get the refreshed stat number. What? Okay. So 513, 214. Okay, we got 214 minus 513 over 513. That is minus 58%. That is awesome. So minus 58% code. And what is the main thing? Well, just the usual, get rid of these files, all the files. I'm just looking at what changed then. This became what was the effects, and this is huge. It was all this and like the server loading stuff. And if it gets this big, it would make sense to create an actual store object and then maybe store service, and then just a mini store, and then take this and just expose the things like the sources. Okay, so that would work. Okay, one of the things that I had to do here is create this for the components that have access to the route params to be able to dump it onto this service on a init. They put the ID there on destroy, they take it out, and it happens at the right timing, with the right timing and everything. So this is good. Oh, I don't need that anymore. So, ooh, just got rid of 2 lines of code. What do we have now? 513, 211. Hey, you know what? Okay, that was 3 lines of code. So 50 is still 59. Well, it's 59% now. Okay, so cool. Anyway, so that was cool. And the adapter, I love the adapter. It's really small. Here's another line I don't need. So I didn't do cleanup. I didn't run through with cleanup in mind. So, but still, it's not going to be that different. And this is just a feature I had to disable temporarily because they're using the same Redux action when they shouldn't have been. Well, it's optional, I guess. That's the effect or the state change from that action. Okay. Article component, just the usual updating. Oh, here, let's see. Yeah, just the usual, just the output we want to directly be an event source. We don't want containers for imperative code to be used anywhere. We just want to push those values directly to the sources because the template is the authority on what happened. That is how it goes with functional reactive programming. Okay, so this article routes, So I added the on-init and on-destroy in the two components that needed the article data to be loaded from the URL. And so instead of doing it in the route providers or whatever they're called, resolvers, I just did it there. Okay, article edit. Not a lot changed here. I fixed this. Yeah, and then added this, and then this became what I was talking about earlier, direct from the template to the source. Same thing here, get rid of the loader. That was a guard, but is actually a loader. This is that favorite thing that I had to disable temporarily. And this became, I just decided to shorten it, I guess, so. And I made this safe to use for, I mean, it wasn't airing before, so I don't know what I did exactly, but yeah, those are all the changes, and it was initially shorter than I thought it'd be, and then it ended up being longer than I thought it'd be because of that route parameter issue. That took so long, but it's done now, and next time I will be doing the final one, and that will tie everything together. There is also that error one. I think I will do that reducer as well. This was part 5, so yeah, part 6 and part 7, and then I'll wrap it all up in part 8 and do just like a brief overview and fix some things. So improve the architecture of those dynamically created stores. That's what I want to do. All right, thanks for watching, and yeah, this was another long one. Maybe next time it'll be shorter. All right, see ya.